Good evening, everyone. This is your weather on the fly evening edition for Saturday, November 25th, 2023. Your current conditions and temperatures. Current dew points. Current relative humidity. Current wind speeds. Your severe potential for Sunday, November 26, 2023. No organized severe thunderstorms forecast. Your excessive rainfall outlook for Sunday, November 26, 2023. The probability of rainfall exceeding flash flood guidance is less than 5%. Your forecast temperatures for Sunday, November 26, 2023. Your future scan for Sunday, November 26, 2023. Your future scan for Monday, November 27, 2023. Thanks for tuning into your Weather on the Fly Evening Edition. Be sure to share, like, and subscribe for daily outlooks and for future severe and/or tropical weather updates.